Hello, and welcome to this series on Express tools inside of SolidWorks. Today we're looking at FloXpress, and we'll be running a simulation and showing you how that works. FloXpress is a first-pass qualitative flow analysis tool. It is a CFD, or computational fluid dynamics tool. It calculates how fluids flow through parts or assemblies, and it's based on calculated velocity. You can find problem areas in your design and improve them before you manufacture parts. We're going to use FloXpress to look at this part here, which is a Tesla valve, and do some analysis with that tool. This is a great free tool that's available in SolidWorks Standard and up to really get your feet wet with computational fluid dynamics and see if that's a good tool that you might want to invest into the full version of later on. Let's take a look. So, first and foremost, your Express tools are under Tools and Express Tools, and we're going to open up FloXpress. In order to use the tool, we have to designate some parameters. First of all, make sure that we've modeled in an inlet and outlet lid here, and here. And that will allow SolidWorks to find the volume that we are simulating a fluid through. Next, we want to designate our fluid. In this case, we have water or air. You can do many other fluids and multiple fluids in the full fluid dynamics simulation tool. Next, we're going to specify the inlet. You can specify where you want that, and we want that here on this face. Specify by pressure, volume flow rate, or mass flow rate. You can even specify the temperature of your fluid as well. Next is to specify the outlet and our pressure. We're going to run the tool and let it solve and see what kind of results we get. Okay, as you can see, we have some very interesting results. What this tool will do, it will provide you with some different visualization options for the flow. So as you can see here, we have some interesting backfeeding happening. We have some vortices. We have some areas of high velocity flow, some low velocity flow. Very interesting. I like to use the ball visualization because that gives you this animation to kind of show you how things are moving inside of your part. So as you can see, it's giving us a lot of information about how water would behave in our valve here. We can even grab screen captures in order to include into a report which can be automatically generated from the tool here. And that's all for FloXpress. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.